Record an empty background for a few seconds. After that, you walk in. So what you are going to be doing here is you raise your leg and your hands, then you stay like that for a few seconds or few minutes. Remember, you are using a landscape mode so that you will get the character in full, okay? Then after that now, you can now walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace, click on your video, go and locate volume, okay? Click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on that good and go back. So at this point, we are going to be marking out an empty background. Click here, make a split. Then go and look for overlay now, okay? Look for overlay, guys. Click on overlay, drag it to the beginning, all right? Come and click on this empty background, look for freeze, all right? Go and look for freeze, guys. Locate freeze. Click on freeze now. Click and drag. After that now, you are going to come back. The next thing now is to locate where we want the video to start from. At this point, before you raise your leg, click on the video and make a split, guys. Make a split. Delete this first part. We don't need it again. Click on this one and drag it. So at this end now, we are going to click it and go to the end part of the video. Go to the end. Before we will walk out, this place now, click on the video, make a split. Click on the empty background, make a split. Delete this one as well. Then you come back now and click on the second layer, the character layer. Then you go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG. Click on auto remover. Allow it to remove completely, okay? It's removing. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, okay? Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Now it has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. So at this point, look at the video. What we are going to be doing is to click on this one. You go and look for adjust, guys. Locate adjust now. Click on adjust. Locate graphics. Go and look for graphics, okay? Click on graphics now. Click on it. You mark on that white. Then you drag this line up. Look at what I'm going to be doing now. Drag it up very well. Drag it up. Drag it up. After that now, you mark on that good. Then you go back. All right? Mark on that good and go back. So at this point, we are going to be exporting this particular one now. All right? So you click on export. Then you export this one. After that, you mark on that done. So we are going to be importing this video again, like we did before. Import the video again. So at this point, you click it and make it fit the screen, okay? Make it fit the screen. So like we did before you raise your leg, you click on this one and make a split. Delete this first part. Click on this place and drag it to the beginning, all right? Just like we did before. You go to the ending part of the video, then you make your cut here, all right? You click on this one and make your cut. Click on this one, make your cut now. Delete that last part, we don't need it again. You still come and click on this one and look for remove BG like we did before. Click it, auto remover. You allow it to remove completely, okay? Allow it. Now it has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back, okay? So this is it now. So what we are going to be doing now is to click on overlay to import that our video that we worked on, the one we exported. So click on add overlay now. Then you come and import the video. Look at it here. You import it. As you import it now, you are going to make it to fit the screen, all right? So after that now, you click on it and go and look for mask, okay? Go and look for mask, guys. Look for mask. Click on mask now. click on rectangle, okay? Then you expand it, then you take it to push it to the front. Push it to the front, guys. As you expand, push it to the front now. So push it, make it go out from this your leg completely. After the whole adjustment now, you are going to be clicking on keyframe, all right? After the whole adjustment, you click on keyframe. Just finish your adjustment. Take time to do your necessary adjustment here. Don't rush this place so that you will not make mistake. After you finish making your necessary adjustment, all right, then you go and click on keyframe. Click on keyframe, guys. Then you adjust the video now. Then you use that arrow to be opening it. As you adjust the video, you use that arrow. You are adjusting it. Adjust the video, use that arrow. Keep adjusting it, okay? You adjust the video. This is what you will do until you get the number you want. That is where you want to stop, all right? Keep adjusting the video, dragging it with the arrow. Then the key will be adding automatically. Look at what I am doing. At the end of this now, then you mark on that good. That is okay, all right? You mark on that good. Let us see the result we have got. If you are done, all right? I think at this point I am good. So you mark on that good. Then you go and play the video from the beginning. Look at the end result of the video now. This is good, this is good, this is good, this is good. So this is good. So at this point, this video is ready. So you just come here and do your necessary adjustment, all right? So this video is ready here now. I think this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your necessary effects, all right? Your light effect, your sound effect, and other effects as the case may be. And after that, you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me. Then I will put you through on how to add your necessary effects. And after that, you can now export your video to your gallery. But there is another thing you want to understand here. Remember, you used Auto Remove BG, which is a pro features, and you are not a pro member. So what you are going to do here is, in one of my videos there, I've recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. Go and watch that video, then you will learn and know how you can export this your video to your gallery. You come back and export it, all right? Like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.